In today's video, I am going to be recreating Rihanna Carnival costume makeup. But the thing is, I don't have the full Carnival costume. So today I'm focusing on the part we can recreate at home. The glowing skin, the bright blush, pink lip, and those beautiful teal face jewels. Let's get started. Affordable Concealer by Nicka K. This is number 08. And this is called Cinnamon, I believe. Yes, Cinnamon. I don't know if y'all can see the little cinnamon. And this is one of my favorite colors to use, especially fall, going into the summer, into the fall. So I like to apply a little concealer underneath my brows. I'm saying modest, you didn't do your brows. But I'm just gonna fill it in with my Nicka K. This is the Auto Brown Pencil, and the color is Cocoa. I don't see it. Oh, Cocoa. Maybe I can see it. And this is one of my favorite color brown pencils. It's not too dark, but it's just exact. Then always get you a nice angle brush that I love. It gives the nice, precise look. And I love the natural look like Rihanna have in her picture at Barbados in the Carnival. She always gives me confidence. That's what I like about Rihanna. She just don't care about nobody. She says she's gonna do what she wanna do, and she got it. Next up, I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Gemstone eyeshadow palette that I bought at my local beauty supply store for $5.99. And this is one of my favorites because it does give a natural look, and that's what Rihanna went for. She went for a natural glow. So I am going to use this color brown on the left to the first of the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to blend that out. I don't know if y'all can see that. Move closer. So I love the pigmentation of this color, and it's like one of my favorite colors, the natural look. Then I'm going to go in with this beige color here at the bottom, and then we're going to go under here just a little bit. Then I'm going to take my same brush, and then I'm going to blend it out. That's how I do it. And then next, and I'm going to use this silver color here, and I'm going to apply it on top of my eyelids, and we're going to blend that out perfectly. This is one of my favorite colors as well because it's very natural, and it just gives it like a spark, and that's what Rihanna did when she wore her Carnival outfit. So I'm going to use my blackout eyeliner pencil marker. This just gets black, and what I love about this, that it goes on very smoothly, and we're just going to do that. Go right in here, and we're going to blend that out. Make sure. I'm going to use my Black Radiance Bold Builder. This is affordable mascara, and it's big. This is one of my favorite mascara you can find at CVS or Walmart. This is one of my favorites. This is a black owned company, and I love that it gives me length because I think everybody think I'll be wearing lashes, and I don't. So this is one of my favorites here. So got that. And next up, we are going to do an eyeliner look. I'm going to be using my LA Colors. It's called Color Stripe eyeshadow stick, but I wanted to apply it underneath because Rihanna had this teal eyeliner look. So we're going to see if this is going to show up. I should have bought green so I can mix with it. I'm just applying underneath the eye. Dang, I should have got the green, but hey, this is going to work. This is like a teal. And then next up, we're going to apply a little mascara so you guys can see the lashes. And then we got the eyeliner. So we're going to go back in with our concealer, and we're going to go underneath that eye. We're going to give it a nice little lift. And she also has some blush as well. So I'm going to use my blush by Absolute New York. You can use it for your eye, your lips, and your cheeks. And I love this stick. And this is one of my favorite blush sticks in the world. This is number 5. It don't say a name of the blush stick, but this is one of my favorites. I love that stick, and I'm going to buy some more of that brand. I love it. And then I'm going to go back in with the concealer, cinnamon, and like that. And we're going to let that sit for a little bit. With that, we're going to use the NYX Sweat Proof Setting Spray. And it's like the face glue. So close your eyes. Now we're going to blend this in. And as you guys can see, I am not putting a lot of pressure. It's just mostly soft, and I I am blending that. So you guys see the before and after so far. Now I usually use setting powder, but I think for this look, I'm not going to use setting powder. I think this is fine. To set your makeup, you can, but this time I'm going to let it pass because I like how it looks. It looks very natural still. Because a lot of people say I wear too much makeup, and I know I don't. So this looks fabulous, my darlings. All right, and we'll be right back. Okay, we got the makeup done, and the next part is the jewels. Ooh, found this face sticker at my local beauty supply store for $2.99, baby. You cannot beat that. And once again, I don't have the colors that she wore as the jewels, but we're gonna make this work, so let's get into it. I'm gonna use my Grip Bond glue for $3.99. You don't even have to get expensive glue. So I think I had some, but I just needed a fresh one because I didn't want to be on the video be embarrassed and it don't work. It don't stick on. So I'm trying to open this. Got it. And it's clear. So this is how it looks. It's called the Grip Bond. We can get started. I'm just gonna use the whole piece. I'm just going to add a little glue here. And we're gonna do that. And I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. So we're peeling that off. I was just gonna take some off by itself, but I said nope. Okay, boom, bring it down. Okay. What y'all think? This is cute. We're getting somewhere. So now we gotta do the stones at the bottom. I'm gonna use the lash glue again. We're gonna go under there like that. And we're gonna go ahead and just apply on the opposite side as well. Because by the time we get on this side, it'll be dry. Alright. So these are the cute little face stickers. So we're gonna try to put some on this side. Maybe right here. I think that's about right how she had hers. And it got like 3. I'm using my nails. So I love these. Oops. Oh, I guess it's stuck, y'all. But that's just gonna have to work. I'm not gonna stress it. It's gonna have to work. But I kind of messed up because I should have moved a little closer, but it's okay. Let's do the other side. Okay. Can we got it? I know y'all probably do it and it was going on. Look, I tried, you guys. I did. What y'all think so far? I think I did pretty good. What y'all think? Something similar. All right, now, last but not least is Rihanna lips. Hot pink, but I don't look good with all pink, so I'm gonna use my Ruby Kisses Butter Balm, like a lip gloss brown. I'm gonna outline my lips with this. I love the shade. It's really pretty. I love that. I love it. And I love this favorite pink. It goes on very smooth. So it's giving Rihanna. NYX Smooshy. I love it. And this is called She Is Serving. So we're going to use this color pink. And it smells so good. It's like a nice little fruit. And then on top of that, we're going to top it off with my, which is Ruby Kisses Strawberry Lip Gloss. This is one of my favorites. And it smells good as well. So that on top and give it a shine. Two together gives magical. What y'all think?